In this video you will see the two absolute best islands in Mexico and also some really nice scenery under the water. Hello everybody and welcome to another video. I'm here by the marina in the town of Cancun in Mexico. Today I'm going out to a famous island called Isla Contoy with a company called islacontoytours.com. We are a group of people here and we're gonna be getting on the boat and heading out to the Caribbean Sea. I was in the east part of Mexico again and at the very tip of the Yucatan Peninsula. So this island is actually really special because there are no houses or nothing on the island. It's just one deserted island off of the coast here of the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. We were a group of about 20 people that got onto the boat and started heading out. So we're on the way now over to Isla Mujeres first and then we will be going to Isla Contoy. We were on the way out to Isla Contoy, but first a stop at another island called Isla Mujeres, located about 20 minutes off of the mainland. The boat was parked by this island that has a population of 22,000 people. Welcome to Isla Mujeres. This is the first stop on the trip. We got dropped off here on the dock. And we are now here at Playa Norte. It has been considered the top 10 best beach in the whole world. And it's really incredible with the white sand and the turquoise water. So I'm gonna go over there and check it out. And then in about an hour and a half, we will be getting on the boat again. We're gonna jump in and cool off a bit now in this Caribbean water here. It's so inviting, it's so blue. Really nice. And here there is no seaweed. I forgot my snorkel actually, but I think they're gonna have snorkels on the boat then when we get to the next island. So for now I'm gonna have to just sit here and enjoy. Oh, so nice. I just went swimming, now I'm gonna go for a walk further up and see what we can find. It's like a giant swimming pool around the whole island. And the water is always super clear. I walked for a bit here and I came out to this really incredible spot and I just thought to myself, if I ever bought a house in Mexico, if I ever became rich, it will be here, probably in Isla Mujeres. Because there's never any seaweed here either. Along the mainland of Mexico on the coast of Quintana Roo, every summer usually there's a lot of seaweed that just make the whole beach brown. But here the water is always clear here. I've been here on this island I think 5 or 6 times. Every time I've been, it's been super incredible. I also think this is the best Caribbean vibe you can get anywhere in Mexico. Look at this place here. I don't think you can find a nicer place than this. The vibe here is also really nice because there's constantly boats going by and yeah, it's so tropical. All these green palm trees, the beach, the water, the boats. Such a good atmosphere. This is the best place in Mexico to live, for sure, I think. I don't know why, I just had this realization all of a sudden. We're heading out to the boat again, and now the next stop will be Isla Contoy. Now we're on the boat and we're about to head out to a reef and go snorkeling. We're gonna be going to 2 reefs. So the first reef is just a bit past Isla Mujeres here. Oh, we're gonna jump in now. Cool. Oh. Very nice. Very nice day. We have to check the bottom now. I jumped into the blue Caribbean Sea, and it's always so amazing when you swim around in the clear water. Oh, you have to wear a life jacket here. The reef here, he said, is the second biggest reef in the whole world. It stretches all the way down to Honduras, 700 kilometers. I started seeing the Great Maya Reef, but unfortunately, large parts of the reef seemed dead, mainly because of the increase of the sea temperature. Scientists have confirmed that within the next 20 years, 90% of all coral reefs in the world will be gone. We had arrived to Isla Contoy, located in the northeast part of Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula and about 40 kilometers or 25 miles from the city of Cancun. Isla Contoy, and it's really untouched here, and it seems really strict also. So there are no houses or people living here on the island. That's, I'm guessing, why it's so incredible and so preserved. It looks really nice here. The captain also told me that it's prohibited to wear sunscreen here on the island. So you can't wear any sunscreen. That's why I have this long sleeve shirt now. I'm gonna go and see if I can finally explore a bit on my own. The other people over there, we're gonna be eating lunch soon, but I wanted to see if I can explore. So they're gonna give us some food over here now, and then I'm gonna jump in and cool off again. I should have a house here actually, all to myself, all by myself here. I walked over to one of the few buildings on the island. So there's also food included in this tour. It looks really good. Bunch of rice and chicken and I don't know, chilaquiles I think. It's gonna be really nice. So I got a bunch of food here, really good. Chicken and fish, rice, chips and pico de gallo and salad and lasagna also. It's been a pretty good tour so far. I've really enjoyed it, and the food is also really good, and the fish is so good. Oh, I also got another plate here full of food, and Earlier on the boat they gave us water and Coca-Cola and beer also for people. Now I'm on my way out to the beach, my friends. I am the frogman. The Russian frogman. Great cooling off. I'm exploring the island a bit here, see what we can find. No, I found Freddy. He's one of the captains. He's gonna show me a bit on the island. Let's go, Freddy. Freddy was going to take me into the green areas of the island. Fruit. Freddy has the fruit.
You can eat it if
really?
you like. Just if you don't have anything to eat, this is very good.
Perfect.
Also, the people around, they made with sugar, and they prepare like a dessert with this fruit. Wow. We call it jicacos.
Jicacos.
That's the name.
I tried the fruit. It's perfect. Thank you, Freddy. It tastes like a dessert.
In this island, we have snakes.
Snake?
Yes, but they are not poison.
Ratonera, snake.
Boas.
Boa. You have boa snake.
Yeah, boa.
Oh.
No, reptiles.
Reptile. We have to watch out for the boa snakes here. Oh. They maybe sit in the trees and then they jump around your neck. The hermit crab. Whoa.
This place.
Cocodrilos.
See?
We are looking for the cocodrilos.
14 crocodiles.
14.
Yes.
Freddy had brought me out to a little swamp area where a lot of sea creatures live undisturbed. And further out I could see some really huge fish. They are growing big because no other animals eat them in this pond. So you can see the fish over there. Freddy told me that they grow huge here because no other fish can eat them and they just eat all the smaller fish. I think he said groupers and red snappers, and that they can get up to 8 feet long, which is really cool. Everything seems so untouched here. No humans have been here to destroy anything. Now I'm gonna be heading back, and I think the boat is leaving at 5. I'm pretty satisfied with my time here, so I'm gonna be walking down through the jungle here, back to the boat. Oh, I'm ready to get out of here. You never know what kind of animals you have in wild places like these. Here we have another one. I walked back through the green areas, but wanted to check out the tower that I had seen from a drone shot. So I actually went swimming again, and then I came up to this tower here. You can see the whole island pretty much from here. Look. Wee-hoo! The boat is about to leave over there, so I'm gonna be heading down there here in a little bit. Yeah, I gotta go back. This is the last view from the tower here. Pretty cool tower. Oh, you can go even higher up actually. We have some water tanks here. There used to be, I could see some hostel beds down here. I think there used to be one place here where you could stay, but it looked really abandoned, so now nobody can stay here on the island, for sure. My time on the island had come to an end, so we were getting on the boat and heading back to the city of Cancun. The trip cost $95. So I came back from the tour here and it was really nice. It was together with IslaContoyTours.com, and also Contoy Adventures. So big thanks to them. Now this is the end of the video. As always, if you liked it, please leave it a thumbs up, post a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video if you haven't already done so.